Okay, this is how you make your own motorized coffee grinder because you are sick of its crap. Alright, first thing you need, of course, is a old hand coffee grinder set to the finest quality of grind that you prefer. Of course, you'll need coffee. Kenya blend because that's what your wife prefers. A mug with a bit of personality. Take coffee. Take power drill. Pour over because we're a bunch of snobs. Too much coffee because I'm an idiot. Pre-boiled water because I'm prepared. And there you go. Your own motorized coffee grinder.